look where I am. Daiso. I look back on my videos and I have not been here for 3 months. So summer is upon us and I have a family trip coming up where I could use some pool things. And so I'm gonna go into Daiso and see what they have for the summer. So come join me on today's adventure. Looks like we have some stickers here, which I do remember from last time. Oh, these are magnets. Those are so cute. And it looks like these are what you hang on your purse. Those have become real popular lately. And I don't know what this is, but it's super duper cute. Also looks like the bags are still here like last time too. They have some blind boxes, keychain. It looks like this one's a keychain as well. I don't know if I want a keychain. I'll have to think about it. I think this might have gone up. I have to look back into my other videos, but I think this used to be $175, but now inflation, so I think it did go up. This is really cool too. I don't need a self-inking stamp, but that's really cute. Have back to school stuff. I'm still looking for summer stuff. That's crazy. Buy some summer stuff, but we're not going to be at the beach. But you can play with them in the water perhaps. I don't know how some parents feel about squirt guns. We did them as a kid, but now things have changed. So I'm not even gonna bother with those. Cute stuff though. These mini per purses are so cute. I guess you would attach them to your main purse maybe? You could keep a baby's pacifier in there. They're cute. These popsicle makers are so cute. They have Pooh and Minnie and Mickey. Those are really cute. Want Disney slippers for your vacation or home, we've got the Pooh version and the Mickey version in 2 colors. They seem to have a lot more snacks than the last time I was here. So far, nothing has really caught my eye. I did check out the red bean paste sandwich looking thing that I just saw, but it has hydrogenated oil in it and I really don't want to eat that. But definitely a good place to go if you want to try cool snacks. I think I am almost done here. I'm looking specifically for summer stuff, and I think I found pretty much everything I'm going to find. I'm gonna ask the front desk though before I leave, and grab one more thing, and then you'll see what I got when I get home. Okay, I am back, and it's the next day, hence the reason I'm wearing a different outfit. Okay, so first thing I want to let you know, Daiso is no longer a Japanese dollar store. All the tariffs and all the taxes and all the shipping and stuff that's been going on, they've responded and they've pushed up their prices. I was right, because I remember when I went the last 2 times, it was $1.75 as the lowest price. Like, if there's no price on anything, it's $1.75. Well, here's my receipt. And 2 of the items I bought were items that had no prices on them, and they're just the regular dollar store stuff. And they were $2.25. That means every item has gone up by 50 cents. Also, there's items that are just more expensive that I didn't realize, because one of the items I bought was a blind box. I didn't remember how much a blind box was last time. I thought it was $5. It's $7 now. So I'll show you all that in a second. And with that, let's see what I got. I only got 4 items. My total spend with tax was $14.87. So the first thing I got, what did I do with it? The first thing that I got was a different kind of tea this time, and I put it in the refrigerator overnight so it is cold, and it is unsweetened, elegant tea, jasmine green tea. So I thought I would have it with my dinner tonight. I have a friend coming over. We're going to have some dim sum. So let's taste it. I love jasmine rice, and I love the smell of jasmine, so perhaps I will like jasmine tea. All right. Here we go. It's good. It's not overwhelming, and it doesn't taste like I'm eating flowers. Not that I would know what jasmine flowers tasted like, but it doesn't taste like jasmine rice either. It's fragrant. It's good. It's got a little zhuzh to it. It doesn't need any sugar. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of Splenda in an unsweetened tea. And sometimes I can drink tea without anything. Most of the time I do drink it without anything, especially the hot teas that are herbal. But no, this doesn't need anything. It's good the way it is. I'll probably transfer this into a different vessel, and because I don't like drinking out of plastic and whenever possible. But that's really good. That was $2.50. Okay, next up is a summer item. They did have that section that I showed you with a bunch of different summer stuff. And while the sand things were really cute, I don't know that the kids would play with them in the water. I don't know that my granddaughter would play with stuff like this. I mean, with the sand stuff in her water table, she probably would. And then she could also use it at the beach, but I just opted not to get it. I got this though. This looks fun. This looks fun for anybody. Do you guys remember these? I haven't seen one of these in so long. You basically take the round part and put it on that little spirally thing, and then you go like that, and then it goes up in the air, and you hopefully don't land it on someone's roof or in a tree. But yeah, so that's what this one is. So I thought that was cute. So I got that. That was the dollar. That was dollar. It's not a dollar anymore. $2.25 for that one. And next up, we got the other summer item. I have a brand new bottle of bubbles. So this makes giant bubbles. So you put the bubble mixture in here, and then this attaches. There's a little round thing in here. You can see it has that on the bottom. That stick goes in there, and then you pat, and then you just go like that, and it makes gigantic bubbles. I don't know if they stay a long time. I've never done a giant bubble before, but I figured why not? It's $2.25. So this was another dollar item that is no longer $1.75. So that's another summer item. Last thing that I got is I do enjoy blind boxes. I love sending these to my nephew. I still haven't sent him the first one I have. It's on my table in the pile that I'm sending him. But it looks really, really cute. I like the possibilities of what you could get. You can get the cute little dog, which is kind of what I'm hoping for. The bunny is really cute with the strawberry, though. They're all really cute. And the only one I really don't want is the heart. I don't like the heart as much. So I'm hoping I have my shot of getting possible one of those 3 is pretty decent. And this was $7. So this was a little bit more than it was the last time. I believe last time the blind box was $5. So that has definitely gone up. Oh, look, I got the one I wanted. Haha, that's awesome. His name is Chimney. He doesn't look anything like the photograph. Wait a second. He doesn't have black ears. Is he holding a lemon? He is holding. Okay, it looks like he's holding a fish or a carrot. Or is that supposed to be a carrot? I thought it was a lemon. Maybe I'm wrong because it looks like it has a stem. I'm very confused. If anyone knows what that's supposed to be, please put it in the comments below because clearly I have no clue. Thought it was a lemon. Now maybe it's a pineapple. A pineapple would make sense because, yeah, a pineapple would make sense. A lemon probably doesn't make sense. And I don't know that a carrot has that kind of top. So I don't know. And a carrot isn't yellow. So again, I'm very confused. What's that supposed to be? But it's really cute. It's a little keychain. And yeah, so, and I like opening blind boxes. So there's that. It was a short and sweet haul. Those are the only things I found that I wanted this time around. And yeah, just know that your prices at Daiso have gone up. Your very bottom low price is $2.25. They do have it on the sign. And that blind box, I couldn't find a price on it. Usually there's like a yen number on it, and I did not see one. I still don't see one. So either I'm not seeing it or they didn't put anything on here, and I should have asked. But for $7, it's not bad. Again, it's still higher than it was last time. Everything has gone up in that store. And probably other stores as well. I've heard that the Dollar Tree is also going up, but I'll have to investigate that one. Last time I tried to go in that store, there was no air conditioning. No air conditioning in Florida in the heat of the summer. No bueno. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I do a little bit of everything. I do shopping. I do hopefully soon Disney. I'm slowly expanding how far I go in a day. It's been a long time since I've been, and I'm still on a cane, so there's that. But I'm hoping maybe by the end of July I'll be able to go. I do local events, local restaurants. So, and I'm local to Tampa. I do some stuff in Orlando when feasible. Yeah, so join my wonderful world. Hit that subscribe button. And if you're part of my world, thank you so much. I haven't joined Patreon yet. I don't know if I'm going to. I do something called Ko-Fi. That link is below. So check that out. And it's just real easy to click the button. I think with Patreon, you offer like newsletters and stuff like that. I don't know if I have the time because I'm going to go back to work soon. So anywho's, that's the news and review. And yeah, I'll see you on my next adventure. I'll see you next time. Bye.